Cambridge prides itself on being a leader, academically in terms of research, education. It has to be a social leader as well, tackling tough problems that are difficult for all institutions, like sexual harassment.
The community that we want at Cambridge is one that's inclusive and which is built on a foundation of mutual respect. So to achieve that, we need everybody in the community to be behind this exercise in breaking the silence.
University should be one of the spaces where you feel like you can open yourself up to new experiences. And I think the one thing that a kind of culture that condones sexual misconduct does is shuts people down and makes them isolated and vulnerable.
It's not the experience itself that's important, whether it's a joke or a comment or something shared online. It's the impact it has on other people that's important. And we don't always know how other people have responded to something or how it's affected them.
No matter how brilliant you are, and Cambridge colleges are full of brilliant people, nobody has the right to act in such a way that the person who's on the receiving end of that act or comment or behaviour feels unsafe.
If we don't tackle sexual harassment, we're going to lose out. People won't be doing their best here. Some people may leave. So those aspirations to be excellent will be undermined.
I think if any student or a member of staff has been affected by sexual misconduct of any kind, it's vital that they have confidence to come forward, to realise that what they say will be taken seriously.
If ever there is an increase in reporting, that's always a very positive sign. It is not a sign that there is an increase in sexual harassment or assaults. It is indicative of an increase in victims' and survivors' confidence in the systems and processes around them to protect them and provide them with support.
If people are thinking about coming forward to talk about their experiences, at the counselling service we listen to people and we believe them. And we're happy to talk through people's experiences in a safe space and then talk about the options that are available as well. And our service is completely confidential. So we encourage people to come forward and speak to us if they can.
A lot of people think that there's nothing that they can do because sexual misconduct happens on such a grand scale, but one of the best ways to challenge anything is to start small and to start in the spaces that you are.